If I played you these movie scenes without telling you exactly how they were made, would you believe every single character was voiced by AI?
Hey guys, you won't believe the hidden gem I found downtown today.
Hey guys, you won't believe.
Every character has a different personality, different emotions, and a completely different performance.
Have you heard an advice? If you're homeless, just buy a house.
What the? That doesn't make any sense.
I mean, if you don't sound like a YouTuber, then just use something that does.
And the craziest part, every single voice was just created in just minutes using Noiz AI.
I found you.
How do you feel about boarding the Titanic?
So I decided to put AI voice acting through 4 of the hardest tests possible. That is horror, action, emotional drama and comedy. And that is exactly what I wanted to test today, because we are living in a time where AI can write, edit, design, generate images, create music and now apparently act. A good voice can make a simple line feel powerful. A bad voice can ruin an entire scene. So today I'm recreating famous movie style scenes using only AI voices. A horror scene, an action scene, an emotional scene and a comedy scene. Every character voice you will hear will be generated using Noiz AI. Well, before starting, let me tell you more about Noiz AI. It's an AI voice platform built for creators who need realistic, expressive, high quality voiceovers without needing a full recording setup every single time. It has text to speech, voice cloning, voice design, voice libraries and multi-voice dialogue features. But the part I'm most interested in today is emotional text to speech, because if you're going to recreate movie scenes, the voices cannot just real words, they need to perform. And one more thing I want to quickly show you before we jump into the scenes. Outside of movie voice acting, Noiz AI also has a voice cloning. I only need a 3-second recording of my own voice to create a voice clone. I recorded a quick clip, uploaded it, and within seconds I had the clone ready to use with text to speech. For comparison, 11 laps require at least 10 seconds of audio just to begin the cloning process. 3 seconds versus 10 seconds may not sound huge, but when you are creating content quickly or testing ideas, it saves times. Another nice bonus is that Noiz AI also support multiple mainstream languages natively, including languages like Spanish, English, Japanese, Chinese, and more. So whether you are making content for one audience or several, you can generate voices without needing separate tools for different languages. Okay, now let's proceed our step. So I'm going to start with the horror, because horror is one of the hardest genres for voice. In a horror scenes, the line itself is usually not enough. The fear has to be in the pauses. The breath has to feel unstable. The character has to sound like they are trying to stay calm, but slowly realizing something is very wrong. So for this scene, I wrote a simple setup. A woman is alone in an old house during a storm. She hears a voice from the basement calling her name, but the voice sounds exactly like her own. The line I'm going to the first character is, I know that voice, that's my voice, but I'm standing right here. And then the voice from the basement says, then who come home first? Oh my god.
Emily, come down here. I know that voice. That is my voice. But I am standing right here. Then who came home first?
Now you all might be wondering where all these different character voice actually come from. Some of them come from Noiz AI voice library, which already includes hundreds of ready to use voices. But for more specific characters, I used a feature called voice design. And this is honestly one of the coolest part of the platform, because instead of just scrolling through a list of hoping to find a perfect voice, you can describe the kind of voice you want using text. Even more interesting, you can upload an image of a character and Noiz AI generates voices that matches the character appearance and personality. So for this horror scene, instead of simply picking a creepy voice from the library, I uploaded a horror reference image into voice design, described the tone I wanted, and Noiz AI generated 3 different basement voices options for me to choose from. That made it much easier to find exactly the unsettling voice I had in mind. And this is something 11 Labs currently does not offer, since their voice customization is limited to text descriptions without image input. If you are creating animations, games, cinematic videos, or visual storytelling, this image to voice workflow is surprisingly useful. Okay, next I wanted to text an action scene. Action voice need energy, but they cannot just sound like someone shouting in a microphone, right? They need urgency, they need confidence, and they need that movie trailer pressure where every line feels like a decision has to be made right now. So for this one, I wrote a scenes where 2 pilots are flying through a collapsing city skyline, trying to escape before a massive energy wave hits. One character is calm and experienced, the other younger, panicking and barely holding it together. The first line is, keep the engine alive. If you drop below the towers, we are not coming back up. The second character says, the engine is burning, the controls are shaking, and you are telling me to go lower. Then the captain replies, I'm telling you to trust me.
Keep the engine alive.
The engine is burning! The controls are shaking, and you're
Telling me to go lower? I'm telling you to trust me.
And here I used Noiz AI multi-voice dialogue approach to see character feels different. The captain needs a grounded, controlled voice. On the other hand, the younger pilot needs speed, panic, and nervous energy. And what surprised me is how much the scenes changed when the voices actually match the character roles. The captain sounds sturdy, which makes the danger feel bigger because he's not wasting words. The younger pilot sounds rushed, and the contrast creates tension. And this is where I can see creators choosing Noiz AI for short films, animated scenes, game trailers, story videos, or even concept pitches. You can test the whole scenes with multiple characters before hiring actors, recording final audio, or building the full animation. It gives you a way to hear the idea instead of just imagining it in your head. Alright, now we move to the emotional scene, and honestly, this is the real test. AI voice can sound clean, they can sound dramatic, but can they sound vulnerable? Can they deliver a line that feels human without overacting? So for this scene, I wrote a quiet goodbye between a father and his daughter at the train station. The father has been away for years, and the daughter is old enough to be angry but young enough to still want him to stay. Her line is, "You always say goodbye like it's cost you nothing," and the father replies, "No, I say it quickly because if I say it slowly, I won't leave." And that line needs softness. It cannot be too dramatic. It cannot sound like a movie trailer. It needs restraint. So I generated the daughter's voice with a slightly hurt, controlled tone like she's trying not to cry. Then I generated the father voice with a lower, tired, emotional style.
You always say goodbye like it costs you nothing.
No. I say it quickly because if I say it slowly, I won't leave.
And this one actually surprised me at the most. The voices did not just read the lines, they gave them space. The pauses made the scenes feel more real. The father's line especially worked because it sounded like someone holding back emotional rather than announcing it. And that is a huge difference. Emotional scenes do not always need big crying. Sometimes the most emotional delivery is the one where the character is trying not to break. Okay, now after that, finally the comedy scenes. And this might sound easy, but comedy is brutal for AI voices because timing is everything. A joke is not just a word, it is the rhythm. It is the pauses before the punchline, and it's the confidence of someone saying something ridiculous like it is completely normal. For the comedy scene, I wrote a detective integration where the suspect is clearly guilty, but he thinks he's a genius. The detective says, "So you are telling me you were now here near the bakery?" And then the detective says, "Then why is there frosting on your jacket?" And the suspect says, "That is medical frosting."
So you're telling me you were nowhere near the bakery?
Correct.
Then why is there frosting on your jacket?
That is medical frosting.
And that line is stupid and is only workflow if the voice covers to it. So I made the detective try and serious, almost bored. Then I made the suspect overly confident, like a man who has never had a good idea but believes every idea is excellent. And it works. The serious detective voice makes the absolute answer funnier because the scenes has contrast. The suspect does not sound like he's joking. It sounded like he genuinely thinking medical frosting is a legal defense. And that is exactly the kind of comedy timing I wanted to test. Okay, now after trying all 4 scenes, I think the biggest takeaway is this. AI voice acting is becoming much more useful for creators, not because it's replaced human performance, but because it helps you build, test, and present ideas faster. If you are making YouTube videos, short films, animations, game concepts, audiobook, podcast, or social media sketches, voice is often the thing that slows everything down. My favorite test was probably the emotional scene because that is where I expected AI to struggle the most. But the horror scene was the most fun, and the comedy scene proved that voice contrast can make a simple joke work better. The action scene also showed how useful multi-character voice can be when you want to create tension quickly. So now you are thinking, can AI voice acting actually sound believable? After a test, my answer is yes. So now, if you want to try Noiz AI yourself, right now they have a limited time offer where you can get a first month is only $2.99, and that's not a typo, just $2.99 for you first month. And after that, it renews at the regular price. But honestly, for less than the price of a coffee, it's an easy way to experiment with realistic AI voice creation and see what it can do for your own projects. Also, you will find Noiz AI link in the description and the pinned comment below. And if you want to talk about about AI voices, tool, creator workflows, or connected with another creator experiment with AI, make sure to join official Noiz AI Discord community as well. Both links are waiting for you below. Alright, so that's it. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this experiment, let me know down in the comments which genre I should recreate next using only AI voices. Maybe it could be sci-fi, fantasy, and if you want to learn more about AI tool like this and videos like this, definitely go and watch this video now. And before going, hit that red subscribe button and that lovely like button too.